in English?
class,
दूध in English?
milk,
पानी in English?
water,
घर in English?
home,
अध्यापक in English?
teacher,
विद्यार्थी in English?
students,
दही in English?
curd,
कुर्सी in English?
chair,
मेज in English?
table,
पेड़ in English?
tree,
लिखना in English?
rice,
बोलना in English?
milk,
बगीचा in English?
garden,
चम्मच in English?
spoon,
छलनी in English?
meat,
कूड़ादान in English?
dustbin,
दरवाजा in English?
door,
खिड़की in English? मकान in English?
house,
दयालु in English?
kind,
माफ़ करना in English?
soil,
विद्यालय in English?
school,
कृपया in English?
please,
धन्यवाद in English?
thank you,
इंद्रधनुष in English?
rainbow,
तकिया in English?
pillow,
चादर in English?
bedsheet,
English?
glass,
विद्यार्थी in English?
student,
दूध in English?
milk,
पानी in English?
water,
घर in English?
home,
अध्यापक in English?
teacher,
कुर्सी in English?
chair,
मेज in English?
table,